Okay, so this is for you. You manifested this, and I have an answer. It has to do with love. So if that rings a bell, or if you've been having questions about love, concerned about your love life, then this just might be the universe's way of giving you that answer. So I would just chill out, take a minute, and hear what I have to say, because if you make it to the end of this video, what I have to say might shock you. Don't worry about the background. My son's watching his show. Okay, so here's what I'm feeling. I split the deck, and I am seeing the Three of Wands, and I'm also seeing it with the Lovers. And the first word I heard was yearning, and so I feel like someone is looking out and waiting for someone. That's what I see in this card. And I feel like there was this beautiful love connection in the past. It was like twin flame, soulmate, like so intense. And I'm feeling like it was like just heaven sent. Like this person was brought into your life for a reason. Like spirit brought them to you, and it was just like out of the blue, it was this perfect love. Like you guys were from the same cloth. Like this perfect divine union. And then out of nowhere, there's this wedge got put between you two. And now you're not together. And I feel like one of you is really yearning for that other person, okay? And you've never forgot. I also kind of feel like there's something that got in the way of you guys being together. This could be another person, some kind of like contract, that kind of thing, a marriage maybe. And I feel like really they came into your life out of nowhere, and then they left out of nowhere. Like it was a very fast thing, okay? And look at that, the Eight of Wands. Quick, okay? I think we fell in love very fast as well. And now we've been having a hard time ever since then. You've never forgotten about this person, and you're wondering what was the purpose of it all. I'm seeing 11-11, so you might be seeing that a lot, or at the time that you met them, you could be seeing that a lot. So what was the purpose? Why did they come into your life? To rattle things up. Like this divine person that was meant for you, why did the universe bring them to you? You were happy before. Like, why did this person come into your life, cause all of this chaos just to be ripped away from you? Right? That's the question. Why? Okay? Because I feel like we've just never gotten over it. Or they've never gotten over it, right? Because I'm still feeling like a yearning, a longing. Here's what I'm feeling. I feel like the Ace of Pentacles. I don't feel it. I'm seeing it. The Ace of Pentacles. Aces are about new beginnings, okay? Pentacles are about the material world, that commitment, okay? That lasting of forever. Whenever I'm looking at this card, I'm feeling like there is a new chance. There's another chance, and it's coming in hot. This is probably going to be a very lucky month for you, and this just depends on when you're seeing this reading, okay? The clock starts ticking the day you see the reading, not the day that I posted it, because Spirit's going to bring you this video at divine timing, okay? But I feel like we've never gotten over them, and our heart's been a little bit broken without this person in our life. But I'm hearing it's coming back, okay? It was all about timing and a little bit of destiny. Some things had to happen, but I'm feeling that there's another chance coming, okay? So what do we do now? Well, we let the universe do its thing. We trust, and we find happiness, and we follow our bliss in the meantime. And we don't worry about it. And we trust that the universe is going to bring this person back into our life the same way they did the first time, without you interfering. Okay? So let me know if this resonates, and if you like this kind of stuff, make sure to follow me, because I post this stuff all the time.